Friendship Adventure. Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there were two best friends named Stella and Cosmo. They were not your typical Earth children. Instead, they were brave astronauts who loved to explore the mysteries of outer space. One day, as they were zooming through the stars in their shiny spaceship, they received a mysterious signal from a distant planet. Curiosity sparked in their hearts, and they followed the signal to a colorful planet called Glitteron. As they landed, they were greeted by a group of friendly aliens called Sparklites. These aliens were made of glittering stardust and had the most sparkling personalities. The Sparklites were thrilled to meet Stella and Cosmo, and they showed them around their magical planet. Glitteron was a place filled with floating rainbow clouds, candy cane trees, and lakes made of liquid stardust. The astronauts were amazed by the beauty of this extraordinary world. The Sparklites explained that they needed help to bring back the magic to their planet. The Glitteron Crystal, the source of all the magic, had lost its glow. Without it, the colors were fading, and the magic was disappearing. Stella and Cosmo, being the adventurous friends they were, decided to embark on a quest to find the missing magic. The journey took them through sparkling meadows and cosmic caves, where they encountered friendly space creatures and solved puzzles that tested their teamwork. Along the way, they discovered that the magic was stolen by the Grumbleblot, a grumpy alien who was jealous of Glitteron's beauty. With their quick thinking and teamwork, Stella and Cosmo outsmarted the Grumbleblot and retrieved the Glitteron Crystal. As they returned the crystal to its rightful place, the entire planet lit up with radiant colors and magic. The Sparklites were overjoyed, and in gratitude, they gave Stella and Cosmo magical stardust necklaces, granting them the ability to visit Glitteron whenever they wished. As the astronauts bid farewell to their new friends, they promised to return and visit Glitteron whenever they could. From that day forward, Stella and Cosmo continued their adventures through the cosmos, spreading tales of their magical friendship with the Sparklites. And so, the story of Stella and Cosmo's Starry Friendship Adventure became a favorite bedtime story for children on Earth, inspiring dreams of space exploration, friendship, and the enchanting wonders that await among the stars.
My name is Day.